boy! Get up. That's his. You sit back and watch. That's for him, baby. You guys are just letting her do it.
Here. Yeah. Okay, Aunt April, give him a chance to open it, okay?
Emily, don't you touch another
And
package.
look at it. Okay. Come here. Let's come sit over here. Okay? Let's sit here so we can see pictures of the baby. Okay. You want to help me open his phone? Take it out of the box. Okay. And let's try to... Yeah, come here. Oh, no.
She's like, oh, it's home, guys.
Yeah.
Aw, how cute.
What is that?
Cute.
Piggy bank.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we're going to open it.
Sorry.
Yeah, as soon as I
Good,
open
Judy's
it.
pushing aside next.
Hey, Boo. Look,
He said no.
Gia. Okay, we'll do this later.
She is not
Here,
even
we'll just
looking
show so
at
she
that.
can see all the presents. Take the wrapping paper off.
That's cute.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, what's that?